temper. We are going to make pumpkin with shrimps. In Bengali we call pumpkin Mishti Kumro. So we are making Mishti Kumro with Chingri prawns. The ingredients are prawns, pumpkin, cumin seeds, salt, sugar, tomato, ginger, green chilli and whole spices. We have dried red chilli, bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Shall we start? We are going to marinate the prawns with a little bit of turmeric powder, salt and red chili powder. We are going to chop the pumpkin. Now we chop the tomatoes, slit the green chilli. There we go, slit it, put it back in the plate, grate the ginger, add the grated ginger to the spice bowl because we are going to mix them all together to make a paste. We take this, we put it in here. That's all our prep done. Just pour in some water to make a paste of the spices and ginger. Shall we start cooking? We start with frying the prawns. This is not an advertisement, this is what I use. Spread it evenly so it heats up quickly. It's hot enough. Yeah, that was quick make. We don't want to cook this too much because it becomes really rubbery. I love prawns. In the same oil, we temper the whole spices. So the red chili, dried red chili goes in. Tempering. Throw in the bay leaves. Then goes the cinnamon stick. Temper. The cloves, and then the cardamom. It might burn if we keep it for too long. So I'm just gonna add the cumin seeds now. As soon as this gets a bit darker, we add in our masala. Meanwhile, I'm cooking some rice in the background to go with our pumpkin and prawn. We cover and cook it for a while. Adding the tomatoes now. Throw in the pumpkin. Mix them well. And then cover and cook. Quick stir. Oh, I think it's getting a bit dry. I'm going to add the salt. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water. cover and cook it for a while. Let's add the prawns and the green chillies. I'm going to add some water so that the pumpkin boils and cooks in the water. We cover it and cook and wait for a few minutes for the pumpkin to cook in the water. We're almost there. Covering it. Throwing in the green chilies now, covering and cooking it for a while before we add the sugar, and then let it cook for a while, and then we're done. We add the sugar now. Ooh, look at that bubbling. This looks cooked now. Yep. So that's our pumpkin with prawns or Mishti Kumro Chorchori done.